90% of bikers fail in curves because of this. Most bikers think they're good riders until the road curves, and that's exactly where 90% of them fail without even realizing it. The curve is the ultimate lie detector. It exposes confidence, control, and the truth about your riding skills in a single second. And if you don't understand what I'm about to tell you, that single second is enough to decide whether you walk away or get carried away. See, curves don't punish speed. They punish misunderstanding. Most riders enter a turn with pure emotion, not precision. They trust their instincts. They trust their eyesight. They trust that it'll be fine. And that blind trust is the biggest trap. The curve doesn't care how many years you've been riding. It doesn't care how expensive your bike is. It only cares about one thing: whether you understand the rule that separates the riders who carve curves from the riders who get swallowed by them. In the next few minutes, I'm going to expose the single mistake almost every biker makes, the mistake that destroys balance, control, and confidence inside a curve. And once I reveal it, you'll never ride the same way again. Trust me, after today, the curve won't scare you, it'll obey you. Part 1. The illusion of speed control. Most riders think controlling speed means simply slowing down before entering the curve. But that's a lie your brain creates to feel safe. Real speed control isn't about the brakes. It's about how your bike settles before the lean. When riders enter a curve with even a tiny bit of unstable speed, the front feels light, the body stiffens, and the bike refuses to turn. That's why so many lose control. Not because of speed, but because they trusted the wrong type of speed. Part 2. Target fixation. The silent killer. In curves, your bike goes where your eyes go, and most riders look at the obstacle they're afraid of. Gravel, the edge, oncoming traffic. The moment you look at danger, your body involuntarily guides the bike into the danger. It's subconscious and automatic. Riders don't crash because they're weak. They crash because the mind betrays them. The curve exposes every fear you've been hiding behind straight roads. Part 3. Leaning the body wrong. Here's the truth. Most bikers lean their bike, not their body. They push the machine down but keep their body stiff and upright, which kills traction and control. Your body should flow with the turn, not resist it. When the body stays rigid, the bike becomes unstable and tries to stand up mid-curve. That's when the panic hits, the brakes come on, and the crash begins. It's not the curve that failed. You did. Part 4. Throttle hesitation. The biggest mistake? Cutting the throttle mid-curve. Your bike needs smooth, gentle power to stay balanced. But fear causes most riders to roll off the throttle the moment the lean increases. The bike instantly becomes unstable, the suspension unloads, and the front wheel becomes vulnerable. This single hesitation is what causes 90% of curve-related losses of control. The curve doesn't punish speed, it punishes inconsistency. Part 5. Misreading the curve entry. Riders look at the start of the curve and assume they understand the rest of it, but curves are deceptive. They tighten, open, rise and fall without warning. The mistake is entering with confidence instead of curiosity. When riders commit without reading the whole shape, they trap themselves in the wrong line. And once you're trapped, no skill can save you. Proper entry isn't about being fast, it's about being prepared to adjust. And now you know the truth most bikers never hear until it's too late. Curves don't test your bike, they test you. And the moment you fix these mistakes, you instantly rise into the top 10% of riders who actually understand what their machine wants from them. But before you click away, tell me one thing in the comments. Which mistake have you secretly been struggling with the most? Be honest. Every rider has one, and your comment might be the exact lesson another biker needs to avoid a crash. If you learned something today, share this video with one rider you care about, because the next curve they enter might be the one that saves them or breaks them. Ride smart, ride sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.